Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Positively for your side hustle, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Positively. Press enter. You will be directed to the Positively homepage. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. A new login window will appear. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password. Make sure to check for any typos. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once your email and password are entered, click the Submit button. Wait for the system to process your login request. You should now be logged into your Positively account. Explore your dashboard to access various features for your side hustle. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password. Reach out to customer support if problems persist. Now you're ready to make the most of Positively for your side hustle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.